What exactly is an aphrodisiac?
So Dale, an aphrodisiac is any food, drink, or substance believed to increase sexual desire, arousal, or performance. But here's the important part. There's no single food proven to directly turn on the human body in a reliable, scientific way.
So the idea that you can eat something and instantly feel desire, not quite accurate.
Exactly. Not quite, but some food do support the system involved in sexual function, like blood flow, hormones, and moods.
Yes,
Yes.
kasi actually
Agree tayo dyan.
yes, kasi actually Joseph, maraming mga supposedly popular na mga aphrodisiacs. They mentioned something about, well, during our time, in the 80s and 90s, the Spanish fly was very popular, the Korean bug. But scientifically, was it really proven that they parang stimulates or they cause to increase sexual desire, 'di ba? Parang tapos yung iba sasabihin naman nila kumain ng maanghang.
Yeah.
Yun daw nagiging mas hot daw. Pero I think it's parang heavily psychological din.
To add that, di ba, Dale, like what you mentioned, di ba, even the meat of pawikan, they say, has something to
Meron.
do with aphrodisiac effect, no? I think, like what you're saying, I think the nitric oxide sa amin and the increase in blood flow, the improvement, are those very significant.
Basically ang cause yung parang effect pala ng karamihan ng mga sinasabi nilang mga aphrodisiac is nagko-cause ng dilatation of the blood vessels.
Yes.
So pag nag-dilate, magkakaroon ng magandang perfusion, umiinit yung area na yon. And I noticed also in yung those things that they mentioned na mga supposedly aphrodisiac, they are rich in a substance called cantharidin na parang yun yung nagpapa-excite, nagcause parang endorphin din siya.
Yes.
Nagpapa-increase ng sense of well-being, nagpapa-increase ng heart rate, and nagpapa-init doon sa pelvic area. Yun yung sinasabi.
Correct ka dyan.
So let's go through some of the classics people hear about.
Okay, Dale. First, our favorite, your favorite. Oysters. They're rich in zinc, which helps produce testosterone, which is important for libido in both men and women.
That's right. And then there's dark chocolate.
Right, it contains compounds linked to pleasure and mood, like phenylethylamine and serotonin. But most of it gets broken down before it reaches the brain. So the effect is more about mood than direct arousal.
But what about fruits like watermelon or pomegranate?
Those are interesting, Dale. Favorite ko yung mga yan, siguro, no? Later. They support blood circulation. Watermelon contains citrulline, which helps relax blood vessels, similar in principle to those some medications for erectile function.
Oo, yung citrulline kasi, it is an essential amino acid which eventually will be converted into arginine. Tapos yung arginine, yun yung nagpapadilate ng blood vessels. Yung gayon. So, Joseph, it's not magic. It's physiology.
Exactly, Dale.
So if we simplify it, aphrodisiac foods don't create desire.
But they can support the body system that makes desire possible. Better blood flow,
Yes.
balanced hormones, and improved moods. Yun lang naman ang tatlo eh.